Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be about blush, compact and bronzer, whatever you can call it, because you can make anything you want. So there are two main ingredients, which is lipstick and powder. Sanitizer is optional. If you want to make it as a compact or something like that, you might need the sanitizer or rubbing alcohol preferably, but if you just can use it as a loose powder, then you won't need it at all. So this is another lipstick that I have. I wanted to mix in two lipstick to get the desired color of mine, but one is more than enough. But since this is so light, it didn't give me the color that I actually wanted, so I added another lipstick color. Now nothing but just mix it, that's it. And it might stick to the powder and it might take a little while to get mixed, so you just have to kind of rub it over your fingertips and then mix it well. Now it looks like kind of flakes or something, I don't know how to call it, but that's how it looks. You just have to keep mixing it like this until you get your desired color. Now here I have the color, but it's so thick and I want it to be a little lighter, so I'm adding in some talcum powder and just mixing it along. If you have mixer jar, you can use it, but definitely have to wash it afterwards. Anyway, if you wish to use it, then you can, but I'm just doing it with my fingers. As you can see, I have got this very light peach color blush, which I actually adore so much. Now this is powder consistency. This is why we need sanitizer or rubbing alcohol. Since sanitizer is not harmful for your skin, I'm using it, but rubbing alcohol can also be used. If you have round containers, use a coin or something like I did, but since mine is a box looking thing, I'm using my fingers. Just press it well before you apply the sanitizer. Press it and then add it a little at a time so it settles well. Now I'm using a little bit of sanitizer and just rubbing it over it really fast so that it settles down. Even it out all of the places. I'm just cleaning the excess off. Now you can see the light pink shade, and I really like how it turned out, because when you use your normal powder, it's so fake, like it is really artificial. You will see it in the end of the video how the color looks different. I like it so much. It's kind of blushy looking rose powder. You can always customize the color and the pigmentation you want. Now this is the compact. I used the same method to do it, but I used a orange color lipstick, just a very little bit, so I can use it as a compact. Now you can see the color difference between both of the things that I made. I wanted you to actually see the difference, so I'm just doing it again and again. You can see that the talcum powder looks really artificial, and then the rose powder looks kind of pinkish glow. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and pretty please share it with your girl buddies. See you then. Bye.